Hey, boys.
Hi, boys.
Glad to see you made it this far.
I did it. I've done it about 3 times now.
Get that camera rolling and put us in the paper. Don't want to be in the paper, smile for the camera.
Smile for the camera, see?
You know the hits.
There we go. I'm gonna make you a star.
Hey, boys, start moving across the beach. Take a couple of hits. Take 2 or 3 hits. I'm ready.
1, 2.
Start taking 2 hits.
Let me tighten up and I'm dying.
All right, die well.
I need volunteers to start taking hits. Come on.
Hey, let's go.
Charlie, dying together. 29. Let me get a full unblock.
Dave, let's go. Come on, fuck it. 29 in the hole.
Never mind.
Careful, watch it. Hey, buddy, how you doing?
Really good.
Good, good.
Across the beach, take a couple hits. Get
Bar! Bar!
VAR! Covering fire! I need to go up! Covering fire!
I'll play empty.
I guess. I just died.
Okay.
You're dead? Yeah.
You're dead now, you can get up and go again, because the public can't see it.
Well, you're not dead.
Oh, you're dead now.
Peep show?
Dude, I wouldn't even take that hit. You're good. Go.
Yeah,
Go. Just go.
Oh my gosh.
It's your day. What's your YouTube?
Huh?
What's your YouTube?
What's that?
What's your YouTube?
Echoes of the past.
That's you?
That's me.
Oh, fuck.
You watch me on YouTube?
I'm Silent Gunman.
You're the silent gunman. Oh my gosh, bro. Come on. First squad, let's go! First squad, seawall, let's go! Get there, come on, let's go! Come on, come on! You good? Come on, guys, let's go, boys! Hey, medic! Medic! Where the darn medic? Medic!
What? The string is tight. Oh, I know. Mine's fucking dirty.
You okay, soldier?
Hey, right here.
Hey, medic! Medic! He's hitting the thigh, right thigh!
Alright, man, stay with me.
Give us some fire! Give us some fire!
It's alright, man. It's okay.
You're gonna be alright!
You're gonna be alright.
You're looking real good.
Don't look at it. Don't look at it.
Just think about home, buddy. You're gonna be just fine. You look great.
Bite your mouth.
You're still beautiful, beautiful.
Alright, ready? Close your eyes. This is cold, alright? I wiped it down with water.
It's gonna be okay.
Hey, help me move it to the seat.
Yeah, come on.
Ready? I got the shoulder.
Move, move.
Move him.
Come on.
Come on.
Hey, make room. Give me this fire. Hey, medic! We got another one right here.
Oh, yeah. I need to take out a life insurance policy.
Over the top! Let's go! Let's go! Go! On the hook! On the hook! On the hook! Hey! Hey! Get down!
Get out!
Get down!
On the ground! Come on, Eddie!
Doing all right.
What a coincidence.
Yeah, right? Good positioning, I guess. Medic, come here. Come here. Get off, get off. Off. Help him. You all right?
Don't say howdy.
With a front line 6 to 10 miles from the beaches, these objectives were not achieved. The 5 bridgeheads were not connected until 12 June, and Kane, a major objective, would not be completed until July 21st, 1944. Successful Allied deception campaigns, incomplete German fortifications, Allied air superiority, and disruptions to French transportation infrastructure all helped ensure victory in the Normandy campaign. German casualties on D-Day were about 1,000 men. Allied casualties were at least 10,000.
Rifle's right there.
I need a rifle on all these prisoners.
Gonna get the sun out of your eyes. You're welcome. Maybe I'll just stand here for a second. Need some water?
No, I'm fine. Take it up.
All right.
You want our bolts open?
My fellow Americans, last night when I spoke with you about the fall of Rome, I knew at that moment that troops of the United States and our allies were crossing the Channel in another and greater operation. It has come to pass with success thus far. And so, in this poignant hour, I ask you to join with me in prayer. Almighty God, our sons, pride of our nation, this day have set upon a mighty endeavor, a struggle to preserve our republic, our religion, and our civilization, and to set free a suffering humanity.
Good down there?
Lead them straight and true. Give strength to their
You can get
arm,
up now.
stoutness to their heart, steadfastness
Just realized.
in their faith.
They're still dead.
Right?
They will need thy blessing. Their road will be long and hard. For the enemy is strong. He may hurl back our forces. Success may not come with rushing speed, but we shall return again and again. And we know that by thy grace
Good job.
and by the righteousness of our cause, our sons will triumph.